Hello artists, I'm in my backyard playing with my slime, and I thought I would teach y'all how to make some slime of your own. So here you have all the ingredients you're going to need. That's glue, shaving cream, food coloring, eye drops or contact solution, and a small container with a lid. I did forget to include baking soda, but you'll need that as well at the end. Go ahead and fill the bottom of your container with glue. I'm putting it so that's about 1 centimeter's worth. And then I've decided to create a true purple, a nice lavender. So I'm putting in 2 drops of blue and 3 drops of red. Take a wooden stick and stir it up. Now you're going to put in 1 pump of the foam and keep stirring. Next, you're just going to do half a teaspoon of the baking soda, which we will soon find out we need more of. More baking soda! And we're going to hit it with a few squirts of the eye drops. That's going to make it so that it's not so sticky. That's how I know how to add more. Ah, it's so sticky! Too sticky. So I am going to wash my hands. And then come back, and we are just going to go back and forth between the eye drops and the baking soda. Get it less sticky so it can live on its own and come out and play with us, and we don't get quite so dirty. So here I finally stirred it to a consistency where I can take it out and it doesn't stay on my fingers, and you see it plop down nicely like that. So I'm going to just package it all up with my nicely washed hands and just take it outside. I play with slime when I'm speaking with my therapist, or if I'm feeling anxious about anything. It broke. It's a fun and easeful tactile experience. I hope you're now having some fun of your own with your own slime. Comment down below what color you made and what you're doing with it. Don't forget to wash those hands. I found a nice area for my slime to hang out in my room and decided to name it Fluff.